winter season is just around the corner and I'm sure it's hell of a problem for dry skin type. So welcome to the winter skincare series part 1 for dry skin. I'm Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. If you like beauty and skincare related videos, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. We will be talking about best face wash for dry skin in winter season. Before we start with the 5 best face washes, I am just going to talk about what different things you should look out for in a face wash or a facial cleanser before you go for it. If you are a dry skin type person, the face wash which you are going to buy should be very mild. यानी कि बहुत ही जेंटल होना चाहिए स्किन पे, बहुत हार्श एजेंट्स उसमें नहीं होना चाहिए, बहुत स्ट्रिपिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. क्या होता है कि फेस वॉशेस स्किन क्लीन करते हैं बट उसके साथ साथ जो एसेंशियल ऑयल्स आपके फेस पे होते हैं, जो नेचुरल बैरियर होता है ना आपके स्किन का, वो डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं अगर कोई फेस वॉश हार्मफुल है तो. सारे ही फेस वॉश जिनकी बात मैं इस वीडियो में आज करूंगी, दे विल बी लिंक्ड डाउन इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, तो आपको Amazon से जाके खरीद सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट थिंग टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल बाइंग अ फेस वॉश इज दैट इट शुड हैव हाइड्रेटिंग एजेंट्स. मार्केट में काफी सारे ऐसे ब्रांड्स हैं जो इन टाइप के इंग्रेडिएंट्स को लेके फेस वॉश बनाते हैं. सो ड्राई स्किन टाइप पीपल, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर बाइंग फेस वॉशेस व्हिच हैव hyaluronic acid or glycerin or aloe vera, or basically all the hydrating agents. Protect your skin's barrier and make you feel moisturized and hydrated. So third point is that make sure that you try to avoid fragrances as much as possible. क्योंकि फ्रेग्रेंस वाले जो फेस वॉश होते हैं उनमें स्किन इरिटेंट्स होते हैं, जो अगर सेंसिटिव और ड्राई स्किन टाइप हैं उनके लिए फ्रेग्रेंस वाले फेस वॉशेस कैन क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. फेस वॉशेस व्हिच आई एम शोइंग इन दिस वीडियो माइट हैव फ्रेग्रेंसेस बट देन आई वांटेड टू कवर ऑल द बजट टाइप. होता क्या है कि ना स्मॉल बजट में सारी चीज़ें ढूंढना, पैराबीन फ्री और ये SLS फ्री और फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि जो मैं सारे फेस वॉश बताऊंगी वो इन सब चीज़ों से मुक्त या फ्री हैं, बट देन दे आर प्रीटी मच डिसेंट एंड यू कैन गो फॉर देम अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बजट. Now quickly let's start the video. So the very first one is Lotus Herbals का jojoba face wash. It's a super affordable face wash. The quantity is 120 grams for rupees 130. It has active milli capsules. इसमें छोटे छोटे से कैप्सूल्स हैं जो कि jojoba oil, avocado और विटामिन E के एक्सट्रैक्ट से बने हैं. If you've seen my dry skin care facial oils वाला video which is linked right here, you must have seen that I featured jojoba oil in that video. It is an amazing moisturizing agent for dry skin type and it also helps maintain the pH balance of your skin, which eventually makes it radiant and glowing. Who doesn't want that? I do. Avocado is rich in carotenoids. इसमें जो भी इसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं वो आपकी स्किन की इलास्टिसिटी में हेल्प करते हैं, कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करते हैं, इवेंचुअली जो आपके फेस पे फाइन लाइंस होती हैं उसके रिडक्शन में भी हेल्प करते हैं. तो एक अफोर्डेबल फेस वॉश में इतनी सारी क्वालिटीज होना इज हैंड्स डाउन अ ग्रेट थिंग. सो दिस इज माई टॉप मोस्ट option for the dry skin face washes for winter. And yeah, second up on the list we have Aroma Magic Lavender Face Wash. This is also one of the affordable face washes for dry skin type, especially for winter. I have used this face wash and I've really liked it. The brand claims that it has lavender extract and ultra whipped shea butter. Both of them are great for dry skin type. अगर आपकी skin पे थोड़ी सी भी irritation है, minor irritation, I think this face wash is going to be great for you because lavender is known as an amazing soothing agent which calms down the irritation on your face. Secondly, it's super affordable. That's why I really like it. Third, it has cleaned my skin amazingly and then it did not dry out my skin. Also contains rose essential oil, which again is a great and nice moisturizing agent. So yes, it's again a good face wash in the affordable range for dry skin type people. Price of Aroma Magic Lavender face wash is close to 160 rupees for 100 gram quantity. Links सारे ही description box में मिल जाएंगे. So make sure you click them and check out the price. Third face wash, and it is from one of my favorite brands called Plum. So Plum has this nice face wash which is Plum Hello face wash. It's a skin loving face wash as the brand says. The price for this face wash is 250 rupees for 75 ml quantity. Plum is a brand which claims that their face washes, basically face cleansers, are phthalates free, SLS free, paraben free. This face wash, this facial cleanser, Hello skin loving facial cleanser from Plum, again is very mild facial cleanser and it is great for dry skin type people. As the name says, इसमें aloe vera है. So again, we know the beauty of aloe vera. Aloe vera is great hydrating agent. First, Second, it's a great healing agent. Aloe vera basically heals the damaged parts of your skin. It helps in the regeneration of cells in those parts. So all in all, as I said in the beginning of this video, that dry skin type people should look out for facial cleansers rich with aloe vera. So this is one of the aloe vera based mild cleanser for dry skin type people. Fourth up on our list is AHA Glow. This is a face wash which was recommended to me by my dermatologist when I was facing extremely dry skin, and I had scars in this region because of some sunburn or something like that. It's been long. It's been really long. So my dermatologist suggested me AHA Glow. It is also available on Amazon now. पहले available नहीं था. अब ये फेस वॉश Amazon पे भी अवेलेबल है. इट्स अ ग्रेट फेस वॉश. अगेन दिस इज अ जेल बेस्ड फेस वॉश जिसमें कि कैप्सूल्स हैं, छोटे छोटे से मिनी कैप्सूल्स हैं विच आर ग्रेट. इट हैज ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड एंड एज यू माइट बी अवेयर कि ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड क्या करता है. इट्स अ नाइस exfoliating chemical. Basically it is something which removes dead skin cells from your face if you use it, but then it will be only effective if you at least let it on your face for 1 minute. Just wash your face. Another thing, it has vitamin E. Vitamin E again is a natural antioxidant which is again a hydrating agent. So combination of two good ingredients. I like AHA Glow very much. Let me talk about the price. The price is 226 rupees for 50 grams of quantity. See, the prices which I'm quoting here are just approximate. ये change होते रहते हैं, तो please आप Amazon पे जाके खुद भी check कर लेना. Links नीचे मिल जाएंगे. Don't just hold my neck कि आपने तो इतना बोला था, because a lot of people do that. One thing I would like to highlight here about AHA Glow is that I'm not somebody who loved its fragrance. It was a little stinky and I did not like using this face wash, but with the effects it has shown on my face, I am in love with this face wash. So AHA Glow again is a great face wash for dry skin type. I suggest that you wash your face only once with this face wash during winters, and I think that will be sufficient. So yeah, another option from mid-range of face wash or face cleansers for dry skin will be from brand O3 Plus. It has an amazing face wash which has cucumber extracts and aloe vera extract, which is great for normal to dry skin. The price is 350 rupees for 50 gram of quantity. This one has hydrating and soothing properties which will make your skin very moisturized, like which will avoid this water loss from your skin, and eventually it will make your skin feel moisturized. So yeah, it's again a great face wash. Along with the aloe vera, it has cucumber extracts which are again a well-known hydrating agents. It provides freshness to your skin. आपकी skin से impurities को भी clean करता है. तो eventually O3 Plus का जो ये face wash है, it is great for dry skin. It also has brightening properties if you use it for longer durations, like for months and months, if you are somebody who is looking for that. So O3 Plus का ये face wash भी amazing for dry skin type. Now, although we are done with 5 face washes on the list for dry skin type, I have one bonus point for you, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are pretty sure and you must have been shocked कि अभी तक मैंने ये वाला नाम कैसे नहीं लिया. So guys, here I am. My personal favorite, my best facial cleanser, which currently I'm using, is Cetaphil. So you can say this is the 6th name on this list for face cleansers for dry skin. Cetaphil for dry skin is an amazing face wash. This was also recommended to me by my dermatologist. Since then, whenever winters come, I am a fan of Cetaphil because it is a blessing for my dry skin. So I just love it. I have done one detailed review on Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, which is linked right here, so you can go and watch that. It's super mild. It doesn't dry out your skin. It is a very mild cleanser, more like a lotion consistency. It really protects the natural skin barrier. There is a debate altogether that Cetaphil is not natural, then why it is dermatologist recommended. If you want to see a video on that, comment down below. I will make a detailed video on that, because even though it contains sulfates and parabens, a lot of dermatologists still recommend it. So that's a debatable topic altogether, but then Cetaphil is one of my favorites. I'm pretty sure that you will fall in love with it. Talking about its price, it's for rupees 385 for 250 ml quantity. Not bad, decent enough. And I don't know, I cannot keep the count how many times I've said I love it, but then I really love it. So yeah, here we are going to close our list of cleansers, best face washes for dry skin type for winter season. होप यू गाइज हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो. होप थोड़ी सी भी मदद हो पाई हो आपकी. अगर इनमें से कोई भी फेस वॉश आप खरीदते हो, जो आपका फीडबैक होता है, प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो सो दैट जो बाकी लोग देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को उनको भी हेल्प मिले. इफ यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो, एक भी फेस वॉश लेने जाओगे या मैं पसंद आ गई हूँ, तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को फटाफट से लाइक कर दीजिए, बिकॉज दैट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. And I am also available on Instagram. My handle is chitranshi.me. So if you have any specific question, make sure you follow me on Instagram and drop me a message. जैसे ही मुझे टाइम मिलता है, I make sure I reply to each and every comment and message. So this is what we have for today's video. I'm gonna see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye.